Where is the first Lincoln Memorial located? If you said Washington, D.C., you'd be wrong. Stay tuned to find out more. Abraham Lincoln is such an important figure in history, many states claim him as their own. There is the well-known Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C., the Lincoln Library in Springfield, Illinois, the Lincoln Boyhood Home in Indiana, and the place we're visiting today, the Lincoln Birthplace National Historical Park, the location of the first Lincoln Memorial. Before we go on, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps the channel. Thomas Lincoln, our 16th president's father, moved to Sinking Spring Farm in 1808 with his wife and one-year-old daughter Sarah. They built a log cabin typical for its time. Lincoln's father Thomas bought this farm because of the spring here, so it's called the Sinking Springs Farm. This is a spring. Wow, it's a lot cooler down here than up there. You can feel the temperature difference.
A little tricky, but awesome. All right.
Abraham Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809, on a bed of corn husks and bearskins near the fireplace. The Lincolns lived at Sinking Spring Farm only until 1811, when Lincoln was only 2 years old. The family moved 10 miles northeast to Knob Creek Farm. Lincoln's first memories were at Knob Creek Farm, where he helped sow pumpkin seeds. The Lincolns moved to Indiana in 1816, when Abe was still quite young. To celebrate Lincoln's 100th birthday, the Lincoln Farm Association, with prominent members such as President Taft and Mark Twain, decided to build a memorial. They could not do it in time, but the cornerstone was dedicated on Lincoln's 100th birthday in 1909 by President Roosevelt. The memorial was dedicated by President Taft on November 9, 1911, a couple of years later. Going up the 56 steps that represents one step for each year of his life. What you're going to see inside is actually a replica. It's not the real one. They don't know what happened to the real one. They can't find it anymore. Over the years, Lincoln Birthplace received unusual presidential attention. In addition to Teddy Roosevelt and Taft, President Wilson received the log cabin, the memorial, and the farm as a gift from the Lincoln Farm Association in 1916 and established it as a national park. In 1936, FDR visited the park on Flag Day, and Eisenhower was the fifth president to visit in 1954. The Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. was built 11 years after the Lincoln Birthplace Memorial. Knob Creek is 10 miles up the road, where we found a newly restored tavern acting as a visitor center and a log cabin representative of Lincoln's home at that time. Well, we were lucky to come upon the Lincoln Boyhood Home at Knob Creek. The first day they have opened this new tavern building. Nicely refurbished inside, and today is the first day. You see a bunch of events going on with rangers talking to people, and then there is a speech being given by a Lincoln impersonator over there right now. It's all very neat. So, brand new renovation of the building. This National Historic Park is well worth the couple hours that you may spend on it to learn about Lincoln's family and to look at the very nice memorial with the replica of the log cabin inside, as well as a spring that is the origin of Sinking Springs. We are on our way to visit all the national parks in the United States. Follow along by hitting the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you know when a new video is released. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please share it with everybody that you know.